So let me work this through one more time. I don't pay you. You take his collar off.
Correct, Mondo.
You take his collar off, he beats us all to death.
My body!
So it's in my best interest to keep that collar on.
When you finish with the master,
Kill the dog.
Who's there? What's your name? All right, Mr. No Name.
My name is Sam.
Hey! He's cute.
I've been meaning to ask you. You're all right with that thing around your neck?
What is that, babe?
You basically turned a man into a dog.
How did you do that? Like my saintable mum used to say, get him young, and the possibilities are endless. Killing him.
My name is Danny.
You ever have ice cream before?
No?
Oh, no, just working around. Oh, my God! Everything is new about you now. Your clothes, your hair, your whole life.
I really do need to know where to find him.
I think it's time to put the last thing away.
Danny, wait, will you just listen?
No time.
Look who's come home to his loving uncle.
To the death.
I don't want to hurt people anymore.
I fed you, I trained you. I decide when there's no more killing.